Abbas is that?
Yes.
Go.
We are working on integrated measures for risk reduction for flood and earthquake. Let's imagine you are the big boss of the city, the mayor, and you know that your city is exposed to natural hazards like earthquake and flood. Unfortunately, you know that you should do something about it before it is too late, because of course you don't want to spend a good chunk of country's GDP just to put people out of the mess. But you are a smart person, and you know that it is more resource efficient to ask one member to lead to a city. So you will come to us and will say, Abbas, tell us, one, in which parts of this city, in which buildings, it makes sense to have these smart integrated measures that we are talking about. Two, tell me in euros, what would be the benefit if I do so? And three, nowadays everybody is using paper, so tell me what would be the benefit in terms of sustainability. Indeed, you are lucky big boss, because we just developed the framework for that. One, we developed a catalog of decision variables for multi-hazard risk analysis and strategically integrated flood and earthquake risk reduction measures. Then we use this conceptual foundation to build on and harmonize risk assessment procedures. Two, for flood, we developed a novel building a specific context-sensitive microscale risk assessment procedure. And then we use this BCM array to define risk-based incident strategies. Three, we developed a safety-oriented, multi-level seismic risk reduction framework that uses generative algorithm to optimize portfolio-wide seismic intervention scenarios. And four, our machine learning-based surrogate model for fragility assessment can communicate with the optimizer engine to make our life easier. And five, we have translated building-level energy assessment methodologies to be used in portfolio-wide seismic energy integrated measures. And just now, we are working on expert-informed vulnerability surfaces that can consider the interaction between these two hazards, as well as a framework that uses the concept of dynamic adaptation pathways and risk for ELN circulation to integrate the small-scale nature-based solutions with building-level flood proofing. But the bottom line here is that when we see our cases study results in Desert City, you will grant us a project, and it will be a major business with you. Thank you.